Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the latest version of Final Cut Pro in 2025. Is it still worth your investment? Let's break it down. Final Cut Pro has been a go-to for video editors for years, but in 2025, has it managed to stay ahead of the game? Here are the highlights. First up, the updates. Apple has introduced AI-powered tools like auto-editing, advanced scene detection, and smart color grading. These tools save time and make your edits look more professional without needing a ton of technical skills. Plus, the new collaborative editing feature allows multiple editors to work on the same project in real time, perfect for remote teams. Performance-wise, Final Cut Pro is optimized for Apple's M series chips. The speed and efficiency are unmatched. Whether you are editing 4K or 8K, it's buttery smooth. Pricing remains the same, a one-time purchase of $299.99, which is a steal compared to subscription-based alternatives, but it's not all perfect. If you're a non-Mac system, Final Cut Pro isn't an option. Also, some users feel the AI features can oversimplify edits, making them less customizable for pros. So, is Final Cut Pro in 2025 still worth it? Absolutely. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, it's powerful, efficient, and packed with features that cater to beginners and professionals alike. But if you are not on Mac or you prefer granular control over AI tools, you might want to explore other options. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.